Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to Dr. Messy. Today we're diving into the world of skincare to tackle a common issue, pimples. If you've been battling those pesky breakouts, you're in the right place. Stick around as we share some tried and true tips for achieving clearer, healthier skin. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our skincare tips and tricks. Let's get into it. 1. Understanding your skin type. The first step in treating pimples is understanding your skin type. Is it oily, dry, or a combination? Tailoring your skincare routine to your specific needs can make a significant difference in preventing breakouts. 2. Gentle cleansing. Proper cleansing is key. Use a mild, non-comedogenic cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities without over-drying your skin. Cleansing twice a day helps maintain a clean canvas for other treatments. 3. Targeted treatments. Incorporate targeted treatments such as benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. These ingredients can help unclog pores and reduce inflammation. Remember to start with lower concentrations and gradually increase if needed. 4. Hydration and moisturization. Yes, even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is crucial. Opt for a non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without causing additional breakouts. 5. ***, hands off. L. Resist the urge to pick, squeeze, or pop pimples. Doing so can worsen inflammation, increase the risk of scarring, and spread bacteria. Let your skincare routine do the work. 6. ***, diet and lifestyle. A healthy diet and lifestyle contribute to clear skin. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and manage stress. These factors play a significant role in your skin's overall health. 7. Consulting a dermatologist. If your pimples persist or are severe, it's essential to consult a dermatologist. They can provide personalized advice, prescribe medications, or suggest professional treatments tailored to your skin. Alright, that wraps up today's video on treating pimples. Remember, achieving clear skin is a journey, not an overnight fix. Thank you.